Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the green theme I developed for Cura 540. In this file, how to install the theme, you have all the steps to follow to install correctly. So first thing I will do is to download the file. I copy the link and I paste it to my browser. Now I will save it on the desktop. The download is complete. Now I go to my desktop and I unzip the folder. Here it is. I go in the folder here, and here are my different files. I unzip both files here, cura-green and QML files. I unzip both folders here. Now the next step is to copy the QML files in the folder program files UltiMaker Cura, share, Cura, resources and QML. Now I copy the path and I paste it in my file explorer. Here it is. I'm in the folder QML. Now I open the folder QML files, then QML, and I copy all the files. I select all the files and I hit copy. Cura. I go into my QML files in Cura and I paste, and I replace all the files in the destination folder. The copy is done. Now next step, I will copy the folder cura-green in my installation folder. Now I open my installation folder. I go to C, users, my username. But here, as you can see, there is no folder named AppData because it's a hidden folder. Now I will show the hidden folders. I click on show, then hidden folders, and then I can open AppData, then roaming, and now I go in Cura 5.4. This is the version of my Cura, and then I go to themes. Now I will go back to my files and I copy the folder cura-green. I select it and I click copy. Then I come back to the folder theme and I paste. Now I will start Cura. Cura is open. Now I go to preferences, settings, and then I choose my theme in the list. Here I have cura-green. I click on it and then I restart Cura. Here it is. Now I have Cura with my green theme. As you can see, all the colors are carefully chosen just to make sure that everything will be visible. Now I'm going to show you how I designed the boot screen here. So first thing I do, I will open Publisher. You can use any software you want, but I prefer to use Publisher. Now I draw a rectangle. Now for the height, I type in 13.62 centimeters, and for the width, I type in 21.06 centimeters. I choose the color for the line. I'll put green, and for the fill-in, also I put green. I insert a text box and then I type in UltiMaker Cura. I put the font colors to yellow. For the font size, I will choose 36. And for the fonts, I will choose elephant. I insert another text box. I type in enterprise. For the fonts, for the color, I put yellow. For the size, 36. Now for the fonts, I will choose elephant, size 36, and color yellow. I will add a third text box. For the size of the font, I will choose 14, color yellow, and that's all that you can see in the stock bootscreen. For the text, I will choose Arial narrow for the police, size 14, color yellow. Now we're going to place each box at the right position. I select the first one, UltiMaker Cura, and I go to size, then to layout, and for horizontal I type in 2.62, and for vertical I type in 3.01. I hit OK. Then I select the second text box, that is enterprise. I go to size, then layout, and for horizontal I type in 2.62, and for vertical I type in 4.57. Now I will select the last text box. I go to size, to layout, then for horizontal I type in 2.62, and for vertical I type in 8.07. I hit OK, and here are my text box at the right position. Now I will add the pictures. I select both the picture and the logo. I hit copy, then I came and I paste. Now I would place them at the right position on the green area. I increase the size of the picture a little bit. Now I add another text box and I type in the name of my YouTube channel, Mamadou Ba Passion Informatique, and then my motto, that is create and share. I increase the size to 18. For the fonts I use script empty bold. Now I will duplicate the page. And on the second page I will remove the text enterprise. There it is. Now I will select the first page. Then I click on File, Save As. I select the folder. I will save it on the desktop. And I type in the name, Cura_Enterprise. For the file type I will choose PNG. Here I have chosen JPEG, but it will be PNG. I will choose the second page and I click on Save As. I will type in the name Cura_WIP, file type PNG, and I save. And I will save the same page again, Save As. This time for the name I will type in Cura, file type PNG. There it is. Now I can close Publisher. I will first save my file. Here are my files. Now I open each file. So now I will crop it to remove the white space. Okay, now I save. I open the second file. I crop it to remove all the white space. Then I click on Save. And now the third picture I crop and I can save it. There it is. Now I will need to resize the pictures. I will open the first one with Paint. Then I click on Resize. I select Pixel and I uncheck Keep the Proportions. Now for the horizontal I type in 597 pixels and for vertical 386 pixels. I hit OK. I save it and I close it. I open the second file. I do the same, resize pixels 597 and 386 for vertical. I hit OK, I save, I close Paint, and then I open the last picture still with Paint. I click on resize, I select pixels. For horizontal I tap in 597 and for vertical I tap in 386. I hit OK, I save, and now I can close Paint. Now here are my pictures that will be used for the boot screen. Now I select all three files which are in PNG format and I click copy. I go to C, Programs, UltiMaker Cura 5.4.0. Then I go to the folder Share. Then in Cura, Resources and Images. Now I paste all the files and I replace the files in the destination folder. Okay, now I can restart Cura. And as you can see, I have my custom boot screen with my picture, my name, and the logo of my YouTube channel.